Yes, greetings once again, and welcome to this wonderful edition of our program today. This minute, I am going to tell you why most people remain poor, why most people remain where they are. Most times, I ask myself, when I look at some situation, when I look at environment, when I look at our environment, I see some people who are rich, who have a lot of houses, and who are taking care of their children. And I look at the other side, I still see the same people of the same age, same kind of people, but the same age, but they are finding it too difficult to take care of their family or to do what they have to do as parents. So I begin to ask myself, why? Is it just because what is the reason behind such things? So I was really worried, and I came to a conclusion that the people who are poor they did not do what they have to do while they were young. They were whiling away their time, they were playing, they were not really taking things serious, they were not fighting for the future, they were not really investing for the future. They were making money then, they could be one of the richest then, but they were eating whatever thing they made. They believe in pleasures, they believe in going out and dining and whining together. So I ask questions, even in my own locality. I ask people questions, why? So I begin to understand. Even I begin to compare such a thing with today's life. I see some youths who are making money today, but they don't want to invest. They don't want to plant that money so that the money will give birth to another money. They want to eat whatever thing they make. They are called the big boys. They are called the people who are in charge. They are making the things to happen today. But the issue is not all about today. The issue is not all about what much you are spending. It's not all about how many bottles of beer you are drinking it today. You are drinking these days. It's not even all about how many times the kind of car you ride in, the kind of no. It's all about the investment you are making. Most adults, most of our fathers who are poor today, is not because they did not make that money then. They saw the money then somehow, but they could not invest it. They were not opportune to invest the money so that the money will come back again. Some of them maybe because they had one challenge or the other. After investing the money could not come back. They had one problem or the other. That one is different, I understand, but I am trying to tell our youths today, I am trying to tell my age mates, I'm going to tell the youths of this generation that you need to know how to invest. You don't just eat everything you are making today. If you want a better tomorrow, you may not really enjoy everything today. Now, if you want to enjoy tomorrow, you may not enjoy everything in the way you wanted it, the way you may give yourself a little punishment. I call it a punishment, but it's not really a punishment. It's all about working for your future. When you get to 60, 70, 55, 50, 45, 50, 60, 70, you are eating the fruit of your labor. By then you must have gotten some investments that will be yielding money for you. That is why most people abroad, most people in the States, they didn't die early because they plan for the future. But when you're planning for the future here, people may not understand you. But the truth is that you're not even doing it for anybody to understand you. You are doing it for yourself. You are doing it for your future. You're doing it for your tomorrow, for your kids. Then your children will emulate what you did. Then they will do same. And that is how they will tell you that riches or wealthy is in this lineage. Anybody can be wealthy. It's true, I believe in destiny. I believe that God can destine you to be rich. But most people, if you save whatever thing you are making, that destiny will still come to you. No matter what it is, no matter how it is, you'll still make money. So I tell you today, my brother, my sister, save at least some percentage of whatever you're making a day. You're making in a month, you're making in a year. As you're about to go into a new year, that everything you start from today. Today is still good. You can still kick off. Don't mind, even if you are living in a one-room apartment, or you are squatting with someone else, or you are. What matters is not where you are now. What matters is where you are going to. Where you are going to is what matters. Not even where you are. Where you are, it's not even enough. But where you are going to is what matters. Are you getting my point? Because tomorrow, this day is gone. This day you're listening to me now is gone. We're talking of tomorrow. Tomorrow is coming. So we await for that coming day, and we keep we do things that will really make us happier tomorrow. Thank you very much. I sincerely believe I've spoken to you. We have learned. We are learning together here. If what I said is useful and meaningful, drop a comment below if there's any, and subscribe to our channel. I must be here to respond to whatever comment you made on our channel. Thank you, and remain blessed. Bye.